What is up, everybody? It's Danny with Danny's Auto Detailing out here in San Francisco, California. So in today's video, it's August 5th, Saturday, and I don't have any jobs today. Actually, I did do a maintenance this morning, but the rest of this day, I'm gonna be cleaning my family's cars. I'm gonna start with my wife's vehicle, and then I'm gonna move on to my mom's vehicle. It's something that I've been wanting to do. My mom always says this saying about, she says the cobbler's children have no shoes, and what she's trying to say is that the detailer's family's cars are always dirty. So hint, hint, I got it, Mom, I get it. So what I've done is I put it on my calendar. Every 5 weeks on a Saturday is family car wash and car cleaning day. Do you guys clean your family's cars? Let's just get started. Let's get on with it. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Let's go. First, starting off with my wife's car, and trying not to stress myself out too much or look for perfection too much. What I'm really trying to do is just vacuum up a lot of the debris, the main debris and things, and just make it kind of quick, you know? What are your thoughts on that, guys? Do you go all out for your family's cars, or do you just kind of get it nice and clean and, you know, for the next time? I can't remember if I said this in the intro or not, but being 100 pounds overweight and in your mid to late 40s is not a good combination. My goal is to fit in this large t-shirt by June of next year. And I'm wearing this t-shirt and I'm taking it with me everywhere I go when I'm detailing to remind me that where I want to be. I want to know what it feels like to be 190 pounds or something like that, you know? So, what's it feel like to be 5'10" and 190 pounds? Can anybody tell me? Probably pretty good. Probably pretty good. What are some things that would be on a detailer's resume, right? The goal, the objective is to become a successful local auto detailing business, servicing loyal customers all around San Francisco, California, right? And what are people looking for in a detailer? I can start with my customers. What do my customers like about me and my service? I'm usually quick to respond, right? Friendly. I have a CRM that helps me track my customers and book details and get quotes signed and, you know, send out automated reminders and texts. I mean, that's really cool. So people like that. In reviews, people mentioned that I'm a friendly guy, you know, easy to get along with, I guess, and stuff. So it probably pays to be easy to talk to. It probably pays to be able to communicate well with customers, where in a language, in a way that it's friendly tone and not too, you know, improper, I guess you could say. When I was first starting out, I didn't have a lot of experience, so how did I get customers to say yes? I didn't charge very much. And so that's one way to start getting customers and getting reviews, is to not to charge a lot, you know? But that gets old real quick, doesn't it? Because once you realize your worth, you're like, wait a second, I'm only making $10 an hour on this job and I'm working my ass off. Just make it an example, you know? And then when people start to look on Google and they see that you've got amazing reviews right there, you know, that's a plus. And then what's somebody gonna do? Maybe they'll call you straight away from Google. But maybe they'll go to your website and they'll see what that looks like. A good website, informative, friendly website would be something to have on your resume. I think it's good to actually mention how many 5-star reviews you have on your resume. Maybe how many satisfied customers, maybe how many vehicles you've detailed roughly. Maybe not. Maybe even get a letter of recommendation from a past employer that that you can link into your detailing, like work ethic, solid work ethic, attention to detail, right? Can lift 75 pounds. Won't fall over from heat stroke, stays properly hydrated. If you have any tips on what should be on a detailer's resume, hit me up in the comments below because I kind of want to do a video about that. All right, so I've got the interior done to an acceptable cleanliness right now, and now I get to move on to the exterior. I think that for me, I like to do exteriors more than interiors. I know there are people out there that love interiors more, and I don't hate interiors. I mean, I really like it too. But I like being outside with a hat on. I like feeling the breeze. I like, being a little more aware of my surroundings, and I can do that doing an exterior. When I'm doing an interior, and let me know if you feel the same way, sometimes you gotta feel like you gotta look behind you a little bit, make sure everything's safe, make sure your stuff is still there. I don't know if you guys work in neighborhoods where you have to do that too. And I personally stay out of the neighborhoods that ultimately I feel like I shouldn't be in. But even though in regular neighborhoods in San Francisco, I think you definitely gotta keep your head on a swivel, if you know what I mean. Here's my little bucket. It's got everything I need. I put this bucket inside a main bucket that I use for wheels, and it's got one of those bucket caddies on the outside as well. But I have this like small gallon, like 1 gallon bucket, and thought I'd give it a try, and it's kind of a nice little addition. I've got my my Speedmaster, my wheel brush, my tire brush, a couple of detail brushes. Blue tape means wet, but I'm not adhering to that at the moment. Then I've got my 2 chemicals. I'm using Dark Fury 4-to-1 for the wheels, which I like. And then I'm using Full Strength P&S Undressed. I just like it because it's neon. Not a lot of water pressure here. It's okay. Just getting some contact soap on there, so it'll do something. I know it's not doing as much as a pressure washer would do with a foam cannon. Danny's Auto Detailing just comes with a little extra elbow grease. That's all. I see some dirt coming off back here. Just trying to get some of this surface dirt and dust off the car so that when I do hit it with the contact wash, it's minimal contaminants on the wash mitt. I've already done the roof and the windows, so now I'm hitting the panels. Don't want to go down too far because it's even dirtier down at the lower panel. So go to about right here, so I can bring it back up a little bit and feel good about not really recontaminating the upper part of the doors. What do you guys think? Did I go down too low, or is that okay? And this is my absolute favorite part of the car wash, the lower panel. Yes. Oh yeah. Who else can relate, huh? Isn't this the most rewarding part of it? Oh. And now I'm going to rinse off whatever soap is remaining while applying Sonax Spray and Seal, which is my go-to wax because it's a good quality 3-month spray wax. Easy to apply, saves me a lot of time. And on this particular one, I'm just going to be spraying it through the water as I rinse, and that's going to double as rinse and wax. So definitely using less Sonax when I spray it through the water. All right, so as I finish the windows on this car, I think I'm gonna call it a video on there. I know I have my mom's car to do next, which I am gonna do, but I'll do it off camera. I hope you enjoyed this video that I made for you. Just kind of like on the fly, conversational. Let me know if you like something like this. I might do some more and maybe focus my energy on a certain topic or something. Any tips for videos would be great, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, be good to yourself, be good to others, and don't detail angry.